Okay, so we've got the powder in there. We're going to wash these sheets in the washing machine. We've got that in. One pillowcase, one single sheet, one large bath towel, another large bath towel, a double sheet, a single duvet cover. I think I may be able to get 2 more pillowcases in. Right. Here we go for the controls. We're going to go for a 14, 30 or 44. You see here it says 30-degree wash and an 800-degree spin. If you press that, you can change the temperature. That's a completely cold wash. But because we're on 14, I'm assuming it won't go up to 60 or 90 like it at 30 today. Spin, I'd like it to do a big spin, so I'm going to go for the 1400 spin, and I'm going to press play and let's see how we go. Hello friends, and welcome to the Lovely Place channel, the channel that's like a box of chocolates, as you never know what you're going to get. Today's film is for lovers of washing machines everywhere who need something to soak, spin and wash them off to sleep after a long day of comparing washing machine cycles. Thank you so much for inspiring this film. 3 weeks ago, Lovely Place did a review of our new Hoover washing machine and was overwhelmed by the response. It seems that loads of you really love washing machines. Big shout out to Craig in Liverpool, Eli, Jordan and Canary Washer. This film is for you and everyone else who loves automatic washing machines. This is the Rapid 14 cycle from start to finish, with a special read-along of the Hoover instruction manual that came with the machine. Each page has been featured so you can read along as we work through the manual together. So please make yourself comfortable, sit back, relax, and let's begin. Page 2. The reason I'm starting with page 2 is because there's no writing on the front cover. Thank you for choosing this product. We are proud to offer the ideal product for you and the best complete range of home appliances for your daily routine. Carefully read this manual for correct and safe appliance use and for helpful tips on efficient maintenance. Only use the washing machine after carefully reading these instructions. We recommend you always keep this manual on hand and in good condition for any future owners. For the UK only, on receipt of your appliance, please check it carefully for damage. Any damage found must be reported to the delivery driver immediately. Alternatively, damage found must be reported to the retailer within 2 days of receipt. Each product is identified by a unique 16-character code, also called the serial number, printed on the sticker. This can be found inside the door opening. This code is a unique code for your product that you will need to register the product warranty, or if you need to contact the customer service centre. Environmental conditions. This appliance is marked according to the European Directive 2012/19 EU on waste electrical and electronic equipment, WEEE. WEEE contains both polluting substances, which can cause negative consequences for the environment, and basic components, which can be reused. It is important to have WEEE subjected to specific treatments in order to remove and dispose properly all pollutants and recover and recycle all materials. Individuals can play an important role in ensuring that WEEE does not become an environmental issue. It is essential to follow some basic rules. WEEE should not be treated as household waste. WEEE should be handed over to the relevant collection points managed by the municipality or by registered companies. In many countries, for large WEEE, home collection could be present. In many countries, when you buy a new appliance, the old one may be returned to the retailer, who has to collect it free of charge on a one-to-one basis, as long as the equipment is of equivalent type and has the same functions as the supplied equipment. Well, I seem to remember that my company who sold me this washing machine was going to charge me £25 to take away my old one. Let's get on to the contents. Contents. Number 1, general safety rules. Number 2, installation. Number 3, detergent drawer. Number 4, practical hints. Number 5, cleaning and maintenance. Number 6, remote control brackets Wi-Fi. Number 7, quick user guide. Number 8, controls and programs. And number 9, troubleshooting and warranty. Page 3. Number 1, general safety rules. This appliance is intended to be used in household and similar applications, such as staff kitchen areas in shops, offices and other working environments, farmhouses, by clients in hotels, motels and other residential type environments, bed and breakfast type environments. A different use of this appliance from household environment or from typical housekeeping functions as commercial use by expert or trained users is excluded even in the above application. If the appliance is used in a manner inconsistent with this, it may reduce the life expectancy of the appliance and may void the manufacturer's warranty. Any damage to the appliance or other damage or loss arising through that it is not consistent with domestic or household use, even if located in a domestic or household environment, shall not be accepted by the manufacturer to the fullest extent permitted by law. This appliance can be used by children aged from 8 years and above, and persons with reduced physical, sensory or mental capabilities, or lack of experience and knowledge, if they have been given supervision or instruction concerning use of the appliance in a safe way and understand the hazards involved. Children shall not play with the appliance. Cleaning and user maintenance shall not be made by children without supervision. Children should be supervised to ensure that they do not play with the appliance. Children of less than 3 years should be kept away unless continuously supervised. If the supply cord is damaged, it must be replaced by a special cord or assembly available from the manufacturer or its service agent. Only use the hose sets supplied with the appliance for the water supply connection. Do not reuse old hose set. I think we might have reused our old hose set. Water pressure must be between 0.1 MPa and 1 MPa. Make sure carpets or rugs do not obstruct the base or any of the ventilation opening. After installation, the appliance must be positioned so that the plug is accessible. The maximum load capacity of dry clothes depends on the model used. See control panel. To consult the product technical specification, please refer to the manufacturer website. Page 4. Electrical connections and safety instructions. The technical details, supply, voltage and power input, are indicated on the product rating plate. Make sure that the electrical system is earthed, complies with all applicable law, and that the electricity socket is compatible with the plug of the appliance. Otherwise, seek qualified professional assistance. The use of converters, multiple sockets or extension cords is strongly advised against. Before cleaning or maintaining the washing machine, unplug the appliance and turn off the water tap. Do not pull on the power cord or appliance to unplug the machine. Make sure there is no water in the drum before opening the door. I'm not actually sure you'll be able to open the door if there is water in the drum. I've never known a front-loading washing machine that's ever let you open the door when there's water in it. Warning: water may reach very high temperatures during the wash cycle. Do not expose the washing machine to rain, direct sunlight, or other weather elements. Protect from possible freezing. When moving, do not lift the washing machine by the knobs or detergent drawer during transport. Never rest the door on the trolley. We recommend 2 people lift the washing machine. In the event of a fault and/or malfunction, turn off the washing machine, close the water tap, and do not tamper with the appliance. Immediately contact the customer service centre and only use original spare parts. Failure to observe these instructions may jeopardize appliance safety. Page 5, number 2, installation. Remove the 2 or 4 transportation screws, in brackets A, on the back, and remove the 2 or 4 flat washers, rubber bungs, and plastic spacer tubes, B, as illustrated in figure 1. If the washing machine is built in, unscrew the 3 or 4 transportation screws, brackets A, and remove the 3 or 4 flat washers, rubber bungs, and plastic spacer tubes, brackets B. During the removal of the screws, occasionally spacer tubes fall inside the product. These can be removed by tilting the product forward and recovering them from the floor or inside the base of the machine. Cover the open transportation screw holes with the 2 or 4 plastic caps included in the instruction bag. Warning: keep packaging materials away from children. Place the corrugated plastic sheet found on top of the appliance during the unpacking process. In some models, the corrugated plastic sheet is not provided. Well, it was for us. During the unpacking process, into the base of the appliance as shown in figure 2. According to the model, consider version A, B, or C. I'm afraid we didn't do any of those, and the plastic corrugated sheet is sitting on top of our washing machine as we speak. Page 6, hydraulic connections. Connect the water hose to the water supply tap, figure 3, only using the hose supplied with the appliance. Do not reuse old hose sets. Some models may include one or more of the following features. Hot and cold, figure 4. Water mains connection settings with hot and cold water for higher energy savings. Connect the grey tube to the cold water tap and the red one to the hot water tap. The machine can be connected to the cold water tap only. In this case, some programs may start a few minutes later. Aquastop, figure 5. A device located on the supply tube that stops water flow if the tube deteriorates. In this case, a red mark will appear in the window A and the tube must be replaced. To unscrew the nut, press the one-way lock device B. Aqua Protect, supply tube with guard, figure 6. Should water leak from the primary internal tube, A, the transparent containment sheath B will contain water to permit the washing cycle to complete. At the end of the cycle, contact the customer service centre to replace the supply tube. Page 7. Setting. The washing machine should be installed in its final position such that the water fill hose is not kinked or trapped. The corrugated drain hose should be inserted into suitable drain pipe of between 50 centimetres and 85 centimetres height above the floor, using the curved drain hose support. If an under-sink connection is used, the drain hose must be routed above the sink overfill opening to prevent back siphoning. Care must be taken to avoid kinking or trapping the drain hose. Figure 7. Level the appliance using the feet as illustrated in figure 8. Turn the nut clockwise to release the screw. Rotate the foot to raise or lower it until it touches the floor. Lock the foot, screwing in the nut until it tightens against to the bottom of the washing machine. Plug in the appliance. Warning: contact the customer service centre should the power cord need replacing. Installation faults are not covered by the manufacturer's warranty. Page 8, number 3, detergent drawer. The detergent drawer is split into 3 compartments as illustrated in figure 9. Compartment 1 for pre-wash detergent, compartment flower shape for special additives, softeners, starch, fragrances, etc. Warning: only use liquid products. The washing machine is set to automatically dose additives at each cycle during the last rinse. Compartment 2 is for washing detergent. A liquid detergent cup is also included in some models. Figure 10. To use it, place it in compartment 2. This way, liquid detergent will only enter the drum at the right time. The cup can also be used for bleach when the rinse program is selected. Warning: some detergents are not designed for use in the dispenser drawer, but are supplied with their own dispenser that is placed in the drum directly. Some models are provided with the automatic dosage. This carries out a precise measurement of detergent and softener. In this case, refer to the specific section in the Controls and Programs chapter for details. Page 9, number 4, practical hints. Load tips. When sorting laundry, make sure A. Have eliminated metallic objects such as hair clips, pins, coins from laundry. To have buttoned pillowcases, closed zips, tied loose belts and long robe ribbons. To have removed rollers, hooks or clips from curtains. To have carefully read clothing washing labels. To have removed any persistent stains using specific detergents. When washing rugs, bed covers or other heavy clothing, we recommend you avoid the spinning cycle. To wash wool, make sure the item can be machine washed. Check the fabric label. Leave the appliance's door slightly open between washes to prevent possible bad smells developing inside the machine. Useful advice for saving. Tips on how to save money and not damage the environment when using your appliance. Load the machine to the highest capacity shown in the program table for each program. This will allow you to save energy and water. Noise and residual laundry moisture are affected by spin speed. A faster spin is associated with greater noise and lower residual moisture in the laundry. The most efficient programs in terms of combined use of water and energy are usually the longer lasting ones with lower temperatures. Maximize the load size. Achieve the best use of energy, water and detergent and time by using the recommended maximum load size. Save up to 50% energy by washing a full load instead of 2 half loads. Do you need to pre-wash? For heavily soiled laundry only. Save detergent time, water and between 5 to 15 energy consumption by not selecting pre-wash for slight to normally soiled laundry. Is a hot wash required? Pre-treat stains with stain remover or soak dried stains in water before washing to reduce the necessity of a hot wash program. Save energy by using a low temperature wash program. Before using a drying program, this is for washer dryers, which my machine was not. My machine is just a washing machine. Save energy and time by selecting a high spin speed to reduce the water content in laundry before using a drying program. Dosing the detergent. Below is a short guide with tips and advice on the use of detergent. Only use detergent suitable for machine washing. Select your detergent according to the type of fabric: cotton, delicates, synthetics, wool, silk, etc. The colour, the type and the level of soiling, and the programmed washing temperature. To use the right amount of detergent, softener or any other additives, carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions every time. Correctly using the appliance with the right dose allows you to avoid waste and to reduce the environmental impact. Page 10. When washing heavily soiled whites, we recommend using cotton programs of 60 degrees C or above and a normal washing powder, heavy duty, that contains bleaching agents that at medium to high temperatures provide excellent results. For washes between 40 and 60 degrees C, the type of detergent used needs to be appropriate for the type of fabric and level of soiling. Normal powders are suitable for white or colour-fast fabrics with high soiling, while liquid detergents or colour-protecting powders are suitable for coloured fabrics with light levels of soiling. For washing at temperatures below 40 degrees C, we recommend the use of liquid detergents or detergents specifically labelled as suitable for low temperature washing. For washing wool or silk, only use detergents specifically formulated for these fabrics. Too much detergent leads to excessive foam, which prevents the cycle being carried out correctly. It could also affect the quality of the washing and rinsing. The use of ecological detergents without phosphates may cause the following effects. Cloudier rinse-drain water. This effect is tied to the suspended zeolites, which do not have negative effects on rinse efficiency. White powder, zeolites on laundry at the end of the wash. This is normal. The powder is not absorbed by fabric and does not change its colour. To remove the zeolites, select a rinse program. In the future, consider using slightly less detergent. Foam in the water at the last rinse. This does not necessarily indicate poor rinsing. Consider using less detergent in future washes. Abundant foam. This is often due to the anionic surfactants found in the detergents, which are hard to eliminate from laundry. In this case, do not re-rinse to eliminate these effects. It will not help at all. We suggest conducting a maintenance wash using a proprietary cleaner. If the problem persists or if you suspect a malfunction, immediately contact an authorised customer service centre. Page 11. Number 5. Cleaning and maintenance. Looking after your appliance correctly can extend its lifespan. Cleaning the appliance's exterior. Disconnect the machine from the power supply. Clean the appliance's external cabinet using a damp cloth and avoiding abrasives, alcohol and/or dilutants. Drawer cleaning. It is advisable to regularly clean the detergent drawer to avoid the accumulation of detergent and additive residues. Remove the drawer gently but firmly. Clean the drawer under running water and put it back into its compartment. For models with automatic liquid detergent and softener dosing system, before proceeding with cleaning, all the compartments must be empty. Pull out the drawer completely by pressing the release button, paying attention to the leakage of detergent residues. Shake the drawer in order to let the water flow in all the compartments. Empty the drawer from excess water and reinsert it completely. Warning: do not use acid products, for example vinegar or aggressive detergents, to clean the drawer, in order to avoid damaging the seals and/or internal parts of the appliance. Page 12. Cleaning the pump filter. The appliance has a special filter that traps larger residues that could block the draining system, such as buttons or coins, depending on the model. Consider version A or B. We recommend checking and cleaning the filter 5 or 6 times a year. Disconnect the machine from the power supply. Ensure all the water has been emptied from the drum. Before unscrewing the filter, we recommend you place an absorbent cloth under it to keep the floor dry. A small amount of water will come out of the filter as you remove it. This is normal. Turn the filter counterclockwise to limit the stop. Remove and clean the filter. When finished, replace it, turning it clockwise. The filter handle will be locked when it is not possible to turn any further and the handle is horizontal. Smearing a small amount of liquid soap on the filter seal will help refitting. Repeat the previous steps in reverse order to reassemble all parts. Suggestions for moves or prolonged disuse. If the appliance is kept in a non-heated room for long periods of time, all water residues must be completely removed from the pipes. Disconnect the machine from the power supply socket. Detach the tube from the draining system and clip on the rear of the machine and lower it, fully draining water into a bowl. Secure the drain tube with the drainage system and clip on the rear of the machine when finished. Keep the door glass clean and gasket clean. For models with automatic liquid detergent and softener dosing system, should you need to tilt or move the machine, remove the detergent drawer before proceeding, keeping it horizontal so as to avoid any leakage. Page 13. Remote Control Wi-Fi. Number 6. This appliance is equipped with Wi-Fi technology that allows you to control it remotely via app. Appliance pairing. On app. Download the HON app on your device by framing the following QR code or by the link gohighereurope.com. The app is available for devices running both Android and iOS, both for tablets and for smartphones. Get all the details of the Wi-Fi functions by browsing the app in the demo mode. The frequency of the home Wi-Fi network has to be set onto the 2.4 GH band. You cannot configure the machine if your home network is set to the 5G band. Open the app, create the user profile, or log in if it is already created previously, and pairing the appliance following the instructions on the device display. To enable remote control, check that the router is switched on and connected to the internet. Load the laundry, close the door, add the detergent if it's necessary. Turn the program selector to the remote control Wi-Fi position. The door will lock and the controls on the control panel will be disabled. Start the cycle using the app. When the cycle has been completed, turn off the machine by turning the program selector to the off position to unlock the door. To disable remote control. To exit remote control mode while a cycle is underway, turn the program selector to any position other than remote control Wi-Fi without going through the off. The control panel on the appliance will be operative once again, and if the cycle is paused, you will be able to open the door once the door locked indicator light switches off. For safety reasons, in some wash cycle phases, the door can be opened only if the level of the water is below its lowest edge and if the temperature is less than 45 degrees C. If these conditions are met, wait for the door locked light to switch off before opening the door. With the door closed, turn the knob to the remote control Wi-Fi position to control the appliance using the app once again. If there is a cycle underway, it will continue. Page 14, number 7, Quick User Guide. This appliance automatically adjusts the level of the water to the type and quantity of washing. This system gives a reduction in energy consumption and a saving in washing times. Program selection. Turn on the appliance and select the required program. Adjust the washing settings if necessary and select the required options. Drying. This is for washer dryers only. If you would like the drying cycle to begin automatically after washing, select the washing program required and select the drying cycle. Or you can finish the wash and then select the drying program. Press the program start button. The end of the program will be indicated by a message on the display. On some models, all the indicator lights on the stage will light up. Turn off the appliance. For any type of wash, see the program table and follow the operating sequence as indicated. Technical data. Water pressure. Min 0.1 MPa, max 1 MPa. Spin, RPM, see the rating plate. Power input, power current fuse amp, supply voltage, see rating plate. Number 8. Controls and programs. A is the start pause button. B is temperature selection button. C spin speed button. D delay start button. E anti-crease button. F Options button. G, stain level, rapid, steam level button. H, special programs button. B and C is the child lock. E and F is the eco doser. G and H is sound deactivation or activation button. And that's the end of page 14. Well, dear friends, it seems like, although we have another 14 pages of the booklet to go, we are coming to the end of this Rapid Cycle 14 wash. I really hope you've enjoyed this film, and if it is a successful film and people enjoy watching to the end, I will happily make a second film of the second half of the washing machine booklet. I really hope you've enjoyed the movie. I must admit, reading the booklet has been so relaxing, I've nearly sent myself to sleep a couple of times. But thank you very much for watching and listening to the end. I hope you enjoyed the movie, and now we go into the spin cycle and the shutting down of the machine. Thanks very much. Keep watching to the end, all you washing machine lovers. Bye for now. let's see. Oh, very, very dry. So that's a thumbs up. Thumbs up.